In the mid-19th century, nestled at the foot of the Himalayas, there was a small village called Nargadi. Here, the whispers of the trees and the sparkle of snowflakes felt more truthful than human words. In this village lived a boy named Arav and a girl named Sarina. Since childhood, they drank water from the same spring, walked the same path to school, and sat on the same hilltop to read their books. But as they grew older, a silent love began to bloom in their hearts, one that needed no words to be understood. Arav was the son of a laborer, while Sarina was the daughter of the village chief. When the villagers saw them together, they smiled, yet their eyes changed, knowing the truth. The chief strongly believed in social hierarchy, and the line between rich and poor was something he never ignored. One day, Arav finally gathered the courage to speak his heart. The words I have hidden in my heart for so long, I can't keep them inside anymore. Do you feel what I feel? Tears glimmered in Serena's eyes. I feel the same, Arav, but I also know our path won't be easy. But love does not look at paths, it listens only to the heart. So the two decided to carve their promise on the highest rocky peak of the village, the place where every lover left the mark of their feelings. There, they carved a small stone with the words, "Even if the world stands against us, our hearts will never be freed from each other." But when Serena's father discovered their secret, he stormed upon them like a raging tempest. Arav was ordered to leave the village, and Serena was forbidden from stepping outside her home. Yet, love cannot be imprisoned. A few weeks later, Arav returned. He wanted to take Serena away and start a new life far from the village. Serena was ready. They ran away together at night, but on the way, a fierce snowstorm overtook them. By morning, villagers found them near the outskirts, frozen by the cold, yet their hands still tightly clasped together. The stone where they wrote their promise still stands today, but now another line is carved upon it. Love is never wrong. It is time, circumstances, and stubborn hearts that turn people wrong. True love demands sacrifice, but above all, families and society must learn to understand love. The walls of wealth, poverty, and rigid traditions can never remain strong in front of the truth of the heart.